Let me show you neon light effect in Photoshop. Select Ellipse tool and draw a circular shape. Set the shape stroke width 50 to 60 pixel. Set the stroke color white. Hit enter. Now, press Ctrl+T for free transform. Adjust the shape. Add a mask. Select Eraser tool. Choose Hard Round Brush. Make sure opacity and flow 100%. Follow the settings. Now go to Blending Options. Select Outer Glow, and follow the settings. I'm using this color. Go to Adjustment Layer. Hue Saturation. Check Colorize. Follow the settings. Now create a new layer on background layer. Press Shift plus F5. Fill the color black. Go to Filter, Render, Difference Clouds. Change blending mode to screen. Set the opacity 10 to 12%. Add a mask. Select Eraser tool. Choose Soft Round Brush. Set the opacity 50% and flow 25%. Make sure foreground color is white. Create a new layer. Select Eyedropper tool. Pick the color. Select Brush tool. Choose Soft Round Brush. Follow the settings. Set the opacity 40%. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.